Hi, welcome to Maineemo channel. Today, I'm going to give you some information about travel to Thailand. Well, first of all, travel to Thailand, the hour flight is good between 9 hours or 14 hours from EU side. It is a good flight. Second, travel to Thailand, don't forget to check on visa option on the period of time that you want to spending times during there. Third, if you want to stay longer, then I have some option also that you can do. Before the entry visa expire 2 to 3 days, you should travel to Cambodia border that is not far from Phuket town or Surin town side, and then come back in after day or two. This is convenient way. You can travel by bus or train to Phuket or Surin side. It is very pleasant to travel around town too. Phuket is more sort of ocean side. Surin is more of culture, elephant town, and silk travel, which is called Isan side. Travel by bus from Bangkok to Isan side, the cost between 7 to 10 USD. It is very good price for the cost. The bus that you can take, which is called Nakhon Chai Air. I'm not a part of this bus company, but just giving the information with the bus experiences in that side, as I have been there and use it often. The bus is very nice, clean, food and snack included. The seat is pretty good. It's pretty much is like an airplane seat that you can adjust. Also, plus have a massage that you can have it on your back. Very relaxing on the bus. Plus have an aircon. This Isan side around the town called Korat is more sort of like a waterfall side, national waterfall park, beautiful mountain, and even unique resort on the mountain. Pretty romantic. From the Bangkok to Korat mountain in waterfall town with a lot of greens. Next is Buriram. You can visit popular football stadium. They have a fantastic football team there for tourist attraction. And around the town, you can find more info to go to the town and find some vineyard and so on. A lot of friendly English and Aussie live in town for holiday in Buriram. Then next one is Buriram town. Soon we'll hit the Surin town, and there you can looking for the elephant town. Drive a little more, around a little, and further you will reach to the Cambodian border. Right, that is just the solution and information if you would like to stay longer in Thailand, and convenient information that you can do. Next, at the Bangkok, it is very fun city to stay around week or two. After that, you can go to the beach side to get some suntan and join with cocktails. But if you are planning to stay in Bangkok, I have some solution for low renting, as you are gonna travel, see things. Hotel is good too and convenient for you. Also, the apartment, it is usually that what I do. It is low cost and decent, as I'm not gonna be in a room all the time and spending the time in the room, so mostly we'll go out to see things, right? So I choose apartment to rent short period of time in Bangkok. It is cost about $21 per day and included aircon and everything is in there. Plus downstairs and around you will find restaurant and convenience store or shopping mall even. There are the favorite area that I can recommend to you, and usually I stay and rent it there. The area is called Rachida. Rachida area is very convenient even for tube or taxi, motorbike, and you can walk around there also. Plenty of shopping mall. Food that's selling on street. Rachida is a popular area that you will find a lot of things around, and around there is because of they have the big intersection for transportation, so make the side it can be traffic, and it's good time. If it is a good time, it can go fast also to many tourist places from there also, and it is a shortcut many kind of way that you can choose. And even if you're gonna travel by taxi as myself, should have a map. It is very convenient for you to do a shortcut, tell the taxi where to go, and it is low cost still even on a taxi. Rachida is very convenient to enter to the city part for the night out enjoy. Also from there you can travel to many places as wholesale market and much more. Tourist place is around there. If you're looking for, it's not difficult from Rachida area to go. Next, shopping for the product. It is worth it also, but depending what do you like and what do you want to buy back home. Just make sure and read well what can you take and what can you not. Otherwise, you have to throw all of that product out at the airport. Don't forget to do some research. Next, local food, street food in Thailand. It is normal and it is low cost. About food in Thailand, you will find anywhere. This part is great. That's mostly pretty safe, but for your own sake, just have to look a little with how the trolley or bucket for cleaning or waters etc. But mostly street food is good and safe to eat and buy back to apartment. Next, food, popular food in Bangkok that you must try just for experience and comparing on the Thai restaurant that you have been in overseas, and I can tell you in different kind of it, and you must try. It's pretty tasty and the ingredient much more than in the overseas, so you try it out. But Thai food pretty strong on chili, but that's not a problem. You can order that either with or without chili. Popular food as fast food as papaya salad. Many probably heard papaya salad have different kind of it, and depending which taste that you prefer. If you like sweet, then you will go with tam Thai, and it is without chili. Tam in Thai meaning smashing. If you like sweet taste, and another dish of papaya salad is called tam pasom. Tam pasom in Thai mean mix, but it is based on sweetness. If you like salty base, then you can go with tam thale, seafood called thale in Thai language. Seafood papaya salad also has in the version of tam po. Po means seafood in the rivers or ocean. It is different kind of variety. Another popular food, and the most people may say spicy, and it is pretty tough on the chili. It is called ตำปลาร้า ปลาร้า is little strong fish in the can. The taste is mixed sour, sweet, salty, and tough on chili. But again, you can order without chili too, no problem. But if you are easy eat and not mind with the fast food, the food is cost only around 25 baht. It's plenty of shops that you can find in the local food. Next, temple. Temple in Bangkok is very pleasant to see also. Even the local temple that I prefer, the temple you should go in the morning. Leaving your place in the morning is good and you can avoid the traffic. The temple that is my favorite is called Prakanong area. The temple name Wat Manak is the great temple that you should see. To enter some house in Thailand, must take off the shoes at the front of the house. Easy and simple word that you can use during in Thailand is yes. In Thailand, you can say ka for woman. Yes, in Thai, for man, you say crab. Correct, in Thai, you say chai. Incorrect, in Thai, you say mai chai. Not in Thai language is mai. Okay, in Thai, you can say simple okay. And popular word that you should know as hello. Hello in Thai, you can say สวัสดีค่ะ for woman. Hello in Thai, for man สวัสดีครับ Thank you in Thai, you can say ขอบคุณค่ะ for woman. Thank you in Thai, ขอบคุณครับ for man. Goodbye also in Thai, สวัสดี Cheap in Thai, you can say ถูก Make it cheaper in Thai, you can say ขอถูกลงหน่อย Expensive in Thai, แพงไป No thank you or I don't want in Thai, you can say ไม่เอา Good in Thai, you can say ดี Not good in Thai, you can say ไม่ดี Right, I think this information about the language that can help you a little, so you can have a time to practice before you go. It is very convenient word that you can use as a temporary during the time that you are there. Right, I will see you next time with more things to see and information that you can watch. Please check out much more on my video on Maineemo channel. Perhaps might have something that can be useful for you to see and look or read. Also, if you would like to reach more to Maineemo, you can check out on Maineemo.com for more things that you might want to find out. Thank you very much in advance for watching, and if you do like the channel, please like the button, and if you have some time, please subscribe the channel. It would be the world to me, and I am thankful in advance. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time with a new show. Until then, good day.